If you shoot product review videos, instructionals, how-tos, or unboxings, then you really need to have a top-down rig at your disposal. A lot of rigs are really clunky and require a heavy C-stand with sandbags or just some sort of other bulky rig. But this rig today that I'm going to show you is based on the Manfrotto 131TC tabletop geared column. And it's a really simple rig to use that clamps right to your desk or work surface. It's made up of three parts. First we have the Manfrotto 131TC, and then we need a sidearm. Here's an Oben one. And then you just need a ball head. So I'm going to show you how this works. So first you want to take the Manfrotto 131TC. This is a geared column that you can raise the height with a simple crank on the side and lock it into place. This works on any tabletop up to 1.5 inches thick, and it also allows you to raise your camera 24 inches above your work surface. So to start, you just clamp this to the side of your table or work surface. Once you have that attached, you need a sidearm. This one's the Oben Tab 2M. Manfrotto has a couple of different lateral sidearms is what they're called. So just put it on the top and screw it on. Once you get it attached, you just need a flathead screwdriver, and then you tighten the set screws underneath the arm. Last, you just need a ball head. I'm using this heavy duty MHX Pro BHQ2 ball head because it has really ergonomic knobs that are easy to tighten, and it also has a separate one for rotation and for using the ball socket. So just thread the ball head onto the side of the arm, and then use an Allen wrench to tighten the set screws that go into the ball head. Then you want to make sure you have your quick release plate of choice on your camera. I'm using the RC2 type. Just attach your camera to the arm. Make sure everything's nice and tight before you adjust it. And then you can use the ball head to get your camera into overhead position where it's pointing down, and you can level it with this. Once you get your camera attached, you can use the crank arm to raise it up. When you get the camera in place, you use this knob on the side to tighten it so it's not going to move any. What I really like about this rig is that it's out of the way and you have your full work surface that you can use. It's just off to the side with the clamp. The one thing I don't like is if you have a wobbly desk, like this one's not the sturdiest, any shake will be transferred to the camera as well, but it will be relative to your desk. But overall, this rig is really easy to use, and the more sturdy your desk and your tabletop is, the better it's going to work. It's just super easy to use and a lot sleeker than using a separate C-stand that has to be weighed down with sandbags and another long arm on top of it. So this just takes up so little space, and it's really easy to raise it and lower it with the crank arm, especially if you need to change a setting on your camera. And then you just lock it into place when you're done adjusting the height. Here's some sample footage showing a few things from a top-down perspective. So this is how you build a simple top-down video rig with the Manfrotto 131TC, a sidearm, and a ball head. I have links for all these products in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content. If you have any questions about this rig, leave a comment below.